Hello, greeting to you all. My name is A.Malik and I am from Computer Science and Engineering Department, D section, and I am here to display my Tech Talk topic on the subject Web System Engineering. The topic name is going to be Framework to Migrate Angular JS based legacy web applications to React Components Architecture. Let's begin. Introduction. Many organizations still rely on legacy web applications built using AngularJS. Although AngularJS was widely adopted in the past, it has reached end of life, making maintenance and scalability increasingly difficult. Modern front-end frameworks such as React offer better performance, modularity, and long-term support. This presentation proposes a structured framework to migrate AngularJS-based legacy applications to a React component architecture in a systematic and low-risk manner. Background: AngularJS as legacy technology. AngularJS was introduced to simplify the development of dynamic single-page applications. However, over time, several limitations have emerged. End of official support and updates, performance issue in large-scale applications, tight coupling between logic and view, difficulty in maintaining and scaling applications. As a result, AngularJS is now considered a legacy framework. Why migrate to React? React is a modern JavaScript developed by Facebook and widely used in industry today. Key advantages of React include components-based architecture, virtual DOM for improved performance, high reusability and maintainability, strong ecosystem and community support. Migrating to React help organizations modernize their applications and reduce technical debts. Challenges in migrating legacy applications. Migrating from AngularJS to React is not straightforward and involves several challenges: large and complex codebase, tight coupling of AngularJS components, risk of breaking existing functionality, business constraints such as time and cost. Need to support user during migration. Therefore, a well-defined migration framework is essential. A need for a migration framework. A migration framework provides a structured and repeatable approach to transformation. Such a framework minimizes risk during migration, allow gradual transition instead of full rewrite, ensure business continuity, improve code quality and architecture. This framework focuses on incremental migration rather than replacing the entire system at once. Overview of the proposed migration framework. The proposed framework consists of the following major phases: application assessment, migration planning, component identification, incremental migration, testing and validation, deployment, and optimization. Each phase ensures controlled and efficient migration process. Phase 1: Application Assessment. The first phase involves analyzing the existing AngularJS application. This includes identifying core features and dependencies, analyzing modules, controllers, and services, detecting tight coupled components, assessing performance bottlenecks. This phase helped determine migration feasibility and scope. Phase 2, Migration Planning. Migration planning defines how the transition will be carried out. Key activities include selecting migration strategy, incremental or hybrid, defining timelines and priorities, identifying high-risk components, training the development team on React. A strong plan ensures smooth execution and fewer disruptions. Phase 3, Components Identification. In this phase, AngularJS components are mapped to React components. This involves breaking down the UI into reusable components, identifying shared and independent modules, separating business logic from presentation logic. This step is crucial for building a clean React component architecture. Phase 4, Incremental Migration Strategy. Instead of rewriting the entire application, the framework supports incremental migration. This includes running Angular and React side by side, replacing AngularJS components gradually, using routine or wrappers to integrate React components, maintaining existing functionality during migration. This approach reduces risk and ensures continuity. Phase 5, Testing and Validation. Testing plays a crucial role during migration. This phase includes unit testing for React components, regression testing to ensure existing features work, performance testing after migration, users acceptance testing. Testing ensures that the migration application meets functionality and quality requirements. Phase 6, Deployment and Optimization. After migration, the application is deployed and optimized. This involves removing unused AngularJS dependencies, optimizing React components for performance, improving bundle size and loading time, monitoring post-deployment issue. This phase ensures long-term maintainability and efficiency. Benefits of the proposed FAIR framework. The migration framework offers several benefits: reduced migration risk, improved application performance, better maintainability and scalability, gradual learning curve for deployment team, extended lifespan of the application. These benefits make the framework practical and industry relevant. Limitations and considerations. Despite its advantages, the framework has certain limitations. Require careful planning and skilled developers. Initial migration effort can be time consuming. Legacy code quality may affect migration speed. These challenges can be managed through proper tooling and documentation. Conclusion: migrating AngularJS based legacy application to a React is essential for long-term sustainability. A structured migration framework ensures that this transition is systematic, efficient, and low risk. By adopting an incremental and component-based approach, organizations can modernize their applications while maintaining stability and business continuity. Thank you.